I'm on top of the world. I just proposed to Malika and my life is changing forever. Our life is one now, and I can't wait to live this life with her.
In St. Louis on a summer day, two souls met along the way. Through friends they found a spark, and it lit up their hearts from the start. Maclee with a smile, Malika by his side. He never thought that he'd find his bride, but on May 14th he dropped to one knee, and she said yes, and he couldn't believe. Now they're here in Puerto Vallarta by the sea, at Villa La La, where love's so free. A little paradise, just you and me, living this dream so blissfully.
Love is the definition of knowing the right person at the right time. It's the definition of knowing who your person is and what they're meant for in your life. L-O-V-E. Love. I love you.
There's so many things to love about Malika. My favorites are her kind heart, her genuine personality, the loving heart that she gives to her family. She is the epitome of kindness and love.
Maclee's got 1,000 things he loves, but Malika's heart is what fits like a glove. Her spirit of fire, her kindness too. Every day he sees something new. She knows with him she'll never fall. He's her everything, her all in all. They laugh and dance, the world feels right. Two hearts together, chasing the light. Now they're here in Puerto Vallarta by the sea, at Villa La La, where love's so free. A little paradise, just you and me, living this dream so blissfully. He's on top of the world, she's the happiest girl. Together they found what love's meant to be. She says it's all about timing, in the right place, and you're my rock, my heart's safe. He says the way you laugh, the way you shine, it's your soul that makes you mine. In each other's arms, they'll always find love that's true, love so kind. In the sand, in the sun, where the waves kiss the shore, they know they found a love that's worth living for. With every step, every breath, their story unfolds. A love like theirs is a treasure, more precious than gold. He's on top of the world, she's the happiest girl. Together they found what love's meant to be. She says it's all about timing, in the right place, and you're my rock, my heart's safe. He says the way you laugh, the way you shine, it's your soul that makes you mine. In each other's arms, they'll always find love that's true, love so kind. In Villa La La, with the stars up above, they found forever.
Baby, I love you. Can't wait and look forward to the rest of our lives together. You're my rock, you're my forever, and I look forward to us in this new life.
Forever seems like a long time, but nothing seems like a long time when I am with you.
Love is huge. For me, love is how we can grow and be people. Being able to share your love with the ones you love, it's one of the best feelings that we can have. Baby girl, we're doing this. We're gonna spend the rest of our lives together. And every single day with you has been an adventure, and I can't wait to keep riding this ride forever. and ever and ever.
Take my heart and take my hand. Take my heart and take my hand.
Malika, May, Jackson, there is no one else in this world that I'd rather spend my life with. Will you marry me?
Yes.
I never really know what love is, but whatever it is, I feel it in your kiss. You waltzed in like somebody planned it all. I feel right where I belong. At least all weak, the heart is strong. So give me your word, and I'll give you all I got. No, we don't have much, but it sure feels like a lot. So take my heart